Welcome, and thank you for taking a few moments to watch this video on the Forest Lake Sewer Improvements Project. The purpose of this video is to share information about the project's purpose, benefits, and anticipated construction process. If after watching this presentation, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to the project email or hotline and be sure to sign up for email updates on the project website. We'll begin by providing a brief overview of the regional wastewater system managed by Metropolitan Council Environmental Services, MCES, which is an operating division of the Metropolitan Council. The MCES wastewater collection system consists of approximately 640 miles of regional sanitary sewers, 61 lift stations, and 190 meter stations, serving urban and suburban areas across the 7-county Twin Cities metropolitan area. These intercept wastewater from 111 cities and townships, directing it to 9 regional treatment plants, which areas are identified on the map. MCES treats approximately 250 million gallons of wastewater daily at these plants, which discharge clean water into the Mississippi, Minnesota, and St. Croix rivers. MCES focus on wastewater collection and treatment, while local communities manage drinking water and stormwater treatment. Now that you have an understanding of MCES, let's take a look at the planned improvements for the Forest Lake area. This project will repair the sewer pipe, also known as an interceptor, located between Fenway Avenue and Highway 61 from Headwaters Parkway to 180th Street North in South Forest Lake. The interceptor runs north to south, going from a portion of the Tanners Brook golf course. The sewer interceptor is deteriorating due to its age. To continue safely managing the area's wastewater, it must be repaired. The repairs will not only fix but enhance the system's efficiency, reliability, and capacity for years to come. To repair the sewer interceptor, the project team first inspected it to assess the damage and develop a facility plan detailing the recommended improvement process. For this project, a trenchless technology called Cured in Place Pipe, or CIPP, is recommended. After cleaning the inside of the interceptor, a liner coated with resin is inserted and inflated to conform its shape. Then, the resin is hardened using hot water, steam, or UV light to create a strong new pipe inside the old one. This method is used frequently because it repairs the sewer without digging up streets or yard, minimizing disruption to the surrounding areas. It also allows the team to work on one section of the interceptor at a time, manhole to manhole. A temporary conveyance system will be set up to manage and divert wastewater flow to the wastewater treatment plant using the construction of the sewer interceptor. This system can be above or below ground depending on the area constraints and will be determined once a construction contractor has been selected. Following construction, any disturbed areas, such as landscaping or pavement, will be restored to their original condition. We won't know the full extent of construction impacts until a construction contractor has been selected. However, there may be higher levels of noise, occasional odors, and increased vehicle traffic throughout the project area. To minimize disruption to the Tanners Brook golf course, the work that passes through the course will be scheduled for the off-season. The project team will also work closely with the other adjacent property owners to ensure disruptions are minimized. We are currently in the design phase of the project, during which we are finalizing the facility plan that will outline the details of the construction process. The next immediate steps in the design phase include a public hearing where the project team will present more specific details included in the facility plan and collect comments for the public record. Comments will be incorporated, and once adopted by the Council, the final facility plan will be submitted to the MPCA for approval. Once approved, the project team can apply for funding to construct the improvements. If funding is secured, the project is anticipated to be constructed in 2025 and 2026, with restoration work taking place in spring 2027. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email info@flsewerimprovements.com or call the project hotline at 612-430-6434. To stay informed about the Forest Lake sewer improvements, including being notified of the upcoming public hearing, sign up for email updates by visiting the project website at flsewerimprovements.com.